Hey folks, welcome to First Coast Living. I'm Curtis Dvorak.
And I'm Hattie D. Jamal. Now, a lot of companies out there are finding unique ways to honor our frontline workers, and one particular company has found a unique way to utilize their strengths. It's Closets by Design.
This one I love so much because, look, frontline workers are working crazy hours right now, and they haven't had the time. A lot of us have had to work on projects around our house, so this was so cool to see.
Absolutely. So they found a winner to give a $5,000 revamp closet to, and Francis Hudo with Closets by Design has more.
So last time when I was on, I was telling you about a promotion that we were having both nationwide and locally, and that was that we were going to award one essential worker from Jacksonville $5,000 towards a closet makeover, and I'm happy to report that we have found that one person, and we are so excited.
That is exciting news for sure. Okay, so you obviously got a lot of submissions there, I imagine. I mean, there's so many just deserving people out there in Jacksonville that have been working really hard. So what was it that kind of stood out about this particular winner?
Absolutely. We did get a lot of wonderful submissions, but this one was one that came in from a mother who was telling us about her daughter, and her daughter works here at Mayo and is a COVID ICU nurse. And what really kind of solidified for her to be the top runner is that her husband is also an essential worker. He is a firefighter here in Jacksonville. And so we really, thought it was wonderful that we could honor two people at once. And so that is how we chose her.
Amanda, we're really excited to have you with us. Now, you are the winner of a $5,000 closet. I know that's got to feel amazing, but what does it mean to you to win this prize?
Sure. It has been, I've been so excited. My mom entered me in the contest, and when they called to tell me, luckily she had told me that she'd entered me, because otherwise I would have thought it was a scam, or, it just was unreal. I actually cried a little. I was so excited. We've always wanted to do our master closets, just make use of that space. It's such a tight space for my husband and I. And so when they called, it was I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. And so I'm so excited for them to come out. I've been working with them a lot, and they've been amazing. But it's not something that we could have done without their help. And so it means the world.
I imagine it does. We got to look at the render of the closet that's coming into your home. But that's not to shortchange what you and your husband are both essential workers. It's not to shortchange what you guys are doing at all. I think Closets by Design is very excited to be able to even provide this for you. So when you get this closet, what are you anticipating right now? How are you preparing for it?
First, we got to clear out half of our stuff. I have scrubs from the past 15 years that need to go through, and between normal clothes, scrubs, my husband's clothes. Right now, he's like, you get one box of stuff, but I was like, I'm gonna have so much more room. So we're excited. But he said, I can't keep everything. I have to go through as much as possible and just clear out. If I haven't worn it in a year, it has to go.
Yeah, the hardest part is always cutting back. Well, Amanda, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
Thank you.
And thank you even more so for what you and your husband are doing out there. We do appreciate it. You can always find this segment and more on our website at firstcoastliving.net.